Easy monthly installments may go up as SBI hikes MCLR. State Bank of India (SBI) on Friday hiked its marginal cost of funds-based lending rate (MCLR) on various tenures by 5 to 10 basis points (BPS), a move that could make consumer loans, such as auto or home loans, more expensive for borrowers. Meesho onboards 25,000 non-GST businesses. E-commerce platform Meesho on Friday said it has boarded more than 25,000 non-GST businesses in 2 months. With an eye on 15 to 20 million non-GST registered sellers, the SoftBank-backed platform opened up its platform to onboard such businesses on October 1st. Meesho stated that non-GST sellers now comprise a significant 40% of its new seller registrations, hailing from over 20 states. India's exports dipped 2.83% to $33.90 billion in November, government data. The trade deficit narrowed to $20.58 billion. Imports also declined by 4.33% to $54.48 billion in November. India's forex reserves touched $606.8 billion. India's forex reserves jumped $2.816 billion to $606.859 billion in the week ended December 8, the Reserve Bank of India said. In the previous reporting week, the overall reserves had risen $6.107 billion to $604.042 billion. It can be noted that in October 2021, the country's forex kitty had reached an all-time high of $645 billion. For the week ended December 8, the foreign currency assets increased by $3.089 billion to $536.699 billion.